This is Just Running Trains, and in this video, we're at the Ocean Pines, Maryland Volunteer Fire Department train layout for our winter holiday train fun. Let's check it out. Cool buildings here. Got a little O-gauge section right here. Great, we always love O-gauge. The leg ramp. And they got more HO loops here. It's pretty large layout, decent size. Another HO. I also just real quick wanted to bring up a cool method where they taped these tape lights to this easy track to create lighted track. And we got this really good looking section. This cool New Haven train, awesome switch work. Check out these switches and sheds. This is great property. And they even got some lights in the shed back there. It's really good. Then you go from there over to here, which has some inside loops with a large loop. And again, that awesome light up thing I mentioned. It's like the light up fast track, but it's an easy way to do it. And it's really, really cool. The turnout's great. And I love how they did these little villages, just the way they did it, and some of the great, really cool methods they used. Plus, they got tons of local businesses, like a Bagel Inn. That's my dad gets bagels a lot. Just, all that good stuff. The Menards, Plastico Motel. Then you got this little section here. And the lighthouses. And more tracks. Got this Conrail engine on its own little thing. Oh yeah, I like that. And you got more trains here. It's a Disney monorail, and you got a Toy Story train going on that. Very, very cool. Very, very big layout. So let's get some more shots of trains running. Thanks for watching. This is a great layout, so come down here and check this out. This is at the Firehouse in Ocean Pines, Maryland. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. And remember to always just run trains.